Is your Ninja Speedi cooking food unevenly? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your meals will cook evenly every time. Start by checking how you've arranged the food. Overcrowding the pot or basket can block airflow, leading to uneven results. Spread ingredients in a single layer and rotate them halfway through cooking for even heat distribution. If you're using the rack, ensure food isn't touching the grill to prevent sticking or burning. Next, verify you're using the right accessories. For dishes like toast or bacon, the rack ensures crispy results. Placing them directly in the pot may cause uneven cooking. Refer to your user manual for accessory guidelines specific to your Speedi model. If the issue persists, adjust the temperature settings. High heat can cause outer edges to burn while the center remains undercooked. For delicate foods like bacon, use lower temperatures and longer cook times. Ensure the appliance is preheating properly. If the Speedi skips preheating, food may cook unevenly. Check that the heating element is clean and free of debris, as buildup can disrupt heat flow. Still having trouble? Use the link in the video description to reach Ninja's customer support. If this guide helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another appliance issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!